Access granted.
There is, yeah, oh, I can't move. Just stuff everywhere. Stuff I've got to get rid of. I can't even see the Civic. I've got a million doors, a million wheels. I just, so I'm just sorting through all this stuff. So, back in the workshop, as you can see, there is still a fair bit of stuff that needs moving about. You can't usually come this deep into the workshop because the phone signal completely disappears. But yeah, the junk pile is getting smaller. So down this side there is still a lot of crap to get rid of. I keep this because it's handy to put on a car roof, and then you can put stuff on top of it and it doesn't damage it, obviously. Lots of rubbish still to get rid of. We've got wings galore up there. You'll notice that the Civic is now not here. That has gone to the nephew, to Lee, and he is going to do the welding. So we've got this space now, so that's good. So I can kind of move stuff around. The trailer is now full of more junk that needs cutting up and getting rid of. The old Lexus seats that are no good to anyone. I've taken all the motors out of them, stripped all the foam out, scrapped the metal, and a range of gearboxes. There's a Fiat Coupe, 2 Alpha 159 JTDM F40 gearboxes, and of course a Lexus gearbox. Wouldn't be right without one of them. These tables I've installed here now. Nothing is organised. I've just moved stuff. The 2 bonnets I've put together. The bench seats do make pretty good little areas for storing stuff. This is the wall of tyres and doors spread out. It's mostly tyres behind all that. There is some front seats for an Alpha 159, and there is the Alpha 159 that we need to get out at some point. There's a subframe, there's more doors. Yeah, this great massive huge cupboard thing was just there in the way, so now that's there. This is the kind of scrap junk pile area. That's 400 diff, needs welding. We've got a V8 there. We've got, yeah, this is what I was doing last, I think. Trying to make some more room, more stuff, yeah. So, Maria, it's not Maria, it's an Alpha. We need to get working on the Alpha. That's what we need to do. I also need to try and find the brand new suspension that I've got for the Civic, which I can't seem to find. Got a lovely Maria. Got just a light. We've got a fan up there. Of course, all the bumpers, all the sills, side skirts, all kinds of stuff going on up there. Dashboards, front panels, the coupe dash up there. Pretty good for storage, actually, all that. So I need to find where that could be. I don't know what's in the trunk. I can't remember. But everything is full. I don't know what's in the boot of this Alpha. I need to have a good hunt around and look for things. Things that I can't trip over. What the hell was that? Okay. Subframes. So rear subframe for an LS 400. Fiat Coupe under there somewhere. So we need to have a proper good sort out and a look round for stuff. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Just have a move round, make some space. Okay, right. crack on. It doesn't look like much has changed. I'm probably very dirty, but I mean, there's a bit more floor space here. The alpha has moved. She's there. I've moved some stuff down here, uncovered some stuff, moved some stuff about. These are going to be part of the new doors. I'm going to widen them, take it back another foot so it's a bit wider, because it's a bit tricky to get in and out. So the alpha's moved forward, and I've been able to move the V8 engine, this covered with that C-Max rear axle on it that doesn't need to be there. Mark II Focus rear axle doesn't need to be there, and kind of like buried the Maria again, but I'm gonna have some more shelving and units here so I can have more stuff put away properly. Yeah, I mean that coupe is away from that wall a little bit because there's stuff behind there, I think. I've not been able to find what I was looking for, so that's a shame. Still got a bit of a door problem, but you know, we're getting there. It's getting there. Tomorrow it'll look, that is a door. Yep, that is a door. It was just stood around doing nothing, and I thought, okay, well, I'll turn it into a little worktop. Not very strong, but you know, I'm not putting engines on it because they're underneath it. More doors, more engines, fuel tanks. A lot of rubbish still to get rid of. We're getting there. It's getting there. Sure, we'll get there at some point. More music, I think. More music's necessary. Progress has been made. Look, it looks totally different. Josh's favourite new tool is the £5 sledgehammer. Is it £5 or is it £10? I don't know. So we've got some space. A little bit of room. We've got an Alpha. We've got a walkway. We've got the Lambo.
Dad, I need something to destroy.
We've got Josh who wants to destroy things. Josh the Destroyer.
Hey, do you have any more stuff?
Get away with that, man. Mind the car.
What?
Mind the car.
I don't care about the car. Who can destroy this then?
No.
That was yes.
No, it's not. That's going to be the new door. Don't do that.
These are what?
The doors. So most of the doors are there, and this area's filled up somewhat. And there's a lot of stuff to get rid of. That lot needs sorting out. That lot needs sorting out. But we've got space to work on something in this area, so that's a bonus.
I need more to destroy.
I haven't got anything else.
What about that weird table?
That's not a weird, that's a shelf.
So I could destroy it because we got no room.
No, you can't destroy the shelf. There will be room for shelves when I put them up. So that's about where we've got to with the workshop up to now. Sadly, I've had to come back to work because, you know, money and stuff. So hopefully, as soon as I get back from work, we can crack on with stuff. More stuff. Thanks for your patience. Keep watching.